All right, let's take a look at number 22. A riverboat travels 58 kilometers downstream in 2 hours. It travels 63 kilometers upstream in 3 hours. Find the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream. All right. Well, we have two cases, one where we're going downstream and one trip where we're going upstream. And I'm thinking that we're going to use distance equals rate times time because they're giving us a distance and a time. That's screaming to use this dirt formula, right? The distance is rate times time. All right, so I'm going to substitute in the things that I know. On the downstream trip, the distance was 58 kilometers. On the upstream trip, the distance was 63 kilometers. The time for the downstream trip was 2 hours. So I'm going to put that in where the T is, right? And then the time for the upstream trip was 3 hours. So I'm going to put that where the time was. Now I'm writing parentheses for the rate because I already know that the rate is going to be comprised of two elements. The speed of the boat, right? So we'll just put boat plus the current, okay? Or the speed of the stream. I put plus because we're going downstream, which means the current is going to help us go faster. Upstream, you got the speed of the boat minus the current. So it's actually going to slow you down, okay? So we're going to take these two equations and set them up as a system of equations. Now, instead of distributing the two in, I'm going to divide the two out to make my equations a little bit simpler, okay? A little bit smaller by in their numbers. I think that's right, 29 plus, yeah. Same thing over here. I noticed that 3 goes into 63, so why not make this equation a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to work with? This is going to be 21. Now, look what happens when we stack these two equations. Elimination is already ready to go. Those C's are going to go away. So we didn't even have to work too hard for this. So 21 plus 29 is going to be 50. B plus B is going to be 2B. So when you divide by 2, you get that the boat was trying to go 25 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now for the speed of the stream, pick your favorite equation and substitute it in. Maybe we can put the 25 in right here so that we get 29 equals the boat, which is 25 plus the current. You could probably see the current is 4 right there, but if not, just subtract 25 from both sides. And then you can see that the current was 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so the boat was going 25 kilometers per hour. The speed of the boat is 25 kilometers per hour. And the speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour. Don't think too hard. There's only one of these that represents a speed, right? Speed has to be like inches per second, feet per minute, something like that. This is the only one that even shows the units of a possible speed. So we know that that's got to be it. All right, let's see if it's right. It's taking a while on that one. Okay, good. All right, you guys, hopefully this helps you out with number 22. Take care.